welcome back to the Fin. Heaps happening on site again this month. We've got 80% of the externals now completed. The last remaining items on the outside is glass balustrade and screens, which are all happening the last couple of days over the month of November. Internally, we've got all the CMP now completed. We've had the painters come through 80% of the building, and we have cabinetry and waterproofing on site. Over the next 4 weeks, we should see all the cabinetry in, all the wet areas completed, apart from the Venetian render. The scaffold will start dropping, as well as the crane, by 30th of November. Super pumped for the remaining of the year. Still looking on track for an early 2025 finish, and our buyer should be settling in mid-March 2025. Stay tuned, more updates to come. Have a great day.